Hello, and thank you for your time. I really need your help. Please help me find someone who has the qualities that match or outclass that of a woman. Someone who has the ability to turn a household into a home, who has the ability to turn a boy into a man and a man into a father. Need I mention someone who has the strength to carry a life for 9 solid months or so? And as if that is not enough, to still raise that life single handedly into an amazing human being. Someone who has the ability to turn a chilly situation in their bedroom into a chilled pillow. Someone who possesses the qualities of a superman with an entourage of skills and talents, who oozes positive energy with a tremendous amount of compassion for children. Someone who serves as a reservoir of strength to the mightiest and greatest man of this world. Someone who has been blessed with a thick layer of wisdom when it comes to managing time and family. Someone who, despite having faced unimaginable forms of abuse, that sends shivers down our spines, leaving parents and children and the community gasping for air with disbelief, still find the courage to walk out of their pain-stricken bodies with heavy makeup of smiles. Someone who, after being told and called all sorts of unprintable names, who, after being bitten, broken, battered, and brutally bruised, still find it in their beautiful, painful, and pain-filled hearts to forgive, forget, and focus. As the search continues, let me spell it out to you, women of this world. This world would not be this beautiful if it were not for your presence in it. Halala basadi halala. Halala, happy Women's Month. We are more than just women. We are women.